I can tell you something. I know that there are millions of people out there that have had $1 million idea. Have you ever wanted to be a fashion designer? Have you ever wanted to learn how to sew? Ever wanted to be able to make something that actually fits you? That wants to offer something unique to the kids in your school, for free classes, for sewing in your community. How to use a sewing machine, you will learn how to sew, you will learn the history of fashion, and then we're going to get down to technical sketches, spec sheets, pattern making, and this is going to be so exciting. So come join me, everyone. I mean, once you learn how to sew, you can do anything. And what we're doing is sharing the world and getting everyone to be creative and follow their passions, and nothing should stop you, no matter what education you have. Nothing should stop you from doing what you love doing the most, is being a creative person. Ciao, everybody.
You've already, how many pieces did you design?
4. How did you think of the sew? Thank you for coming.